FMRI studies shows that same areas of brain become activated when we experience rejection as we experience physical pain. Well, neurologically speaking, that's why rejection hurts so much. Stay with me and watch this video till the end. I'm going to talk about rejection, and I believe that this video can help you. Before starting today's video, I have a question. Do you know why are you here for? And do you know the purpose behind your presence over here? I really don't just want you to watch this video. Yeah man, I want you to be here with a desire of learning and a purpose. And if you have a purpose to be here and desire of learning, then please stay here and watch this video till the end, because this is gonna be a happy learning. Hi there, I'm glad you're here. I'm so excited and grateful to you for being here. I really appreciate your decision to be here. I believe this video is worth watching, and you're gonna realize it after watching this video. So make sure to stay here and watch this video till the end. Hi there, it's Anna here. I hope you guys are doing great and had a wonderful weekend with your friends and families. Thank you so much for taking time to come over here to watch this video. Stay with me and watch this video till the end. Rejection. It's the act of pushing someone or something away. All of us experience rejection. One may experience it at home, school, college, workplace, or in relationships, and resulting emotions can often be painful. Rejection can be experienced on a large scale or in small ways in everyday life. While it is typically a part of life, some types of rejection may be more difficult to cope than others. Going through rejection is one matter, and growing through is another. Both are completely different. We have to make a choice. There can be any reason of being rejected by people at home, school, college, or in any area of life. But this is our personal matter to make a choice to go through rejection. Rejection hurts. I know, it really hurts so much. But it brings growth and elevation in our lives. Those who reject us, they benefit us. They help us to experience something new in all areas of life. No matter it's relational, professional, any area of life. Those who reject us, they help us to experience something new. Rejection is protection. It helps us to experience acceptance and redirection in our lives. Someone quoted that rejection is God's divine protection. Often God protects us by rejection. Rejection is protection for something great that is coming. If you are a believer, we must believe that God allows rejection to take place in our lives to free ourselves from toxic people. There is a quotation of 𝐕𝐈𝐃𝐄𝐿. Rejection gives you more power to push forward. Take your own responsibility and personal initiative, and use rejection as a power to take you to the next level in your personal, professional, emotional, relational, in fact, in all areas of your life. Nothing is wasted in life, including our experiences. How we respond and think, that's the key differentiator. Take right actions after being rejected and make them regret who reject you. Keep in mind, rejection is protection. It helps us to experience acceptance and value relationships, people, and their feelings. In your life, if you know people who've been rejected, don't forget to share this video with them And if you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel, and for getting notifications of my coming videos, turn on notifications. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and comment. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. See you next week with new topic, with new video. Take care of yourself and your beloved ones. May you all have a great and wonderful week and month ahead. It's Sunny here. God bless you all.